Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. First of all, I would like to wish all my viewers a very happy Independence Day. To celebrate the spirit of Independence Day, I bring to you all a tricolor combination of three different chutneys which can be enjoyed with various snacks and starters. So let's get started. First one is a spicy orange color kind of a chutney. The ingredients are some soaked chana dal, some soaked urad dal, 2 to 3 dry red chili according to your spice level, 1 onion sliced, 3 large garlic pods, and 1 large tomato finely chopped. We need to saute all this. For that, heat a pan and add some mustard oil. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, add the ingredients one by one. Saute this for a while. And finally add the chopped tomatoes. Season this with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything well. Everything has been fried well by now, so turn off the flame. And now transfer this to a mixer grinder. This is tamarind, adding a small portion of it. 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and now grind this to a smooth paste. Let's check. Our paste is ready and now we need to give a tempering to it. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil into it. And when the oil is hot, sprinkle some hing or asafoetida, some soaked chana dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Saute this for a while. And finally add some fresh curry leaves. Let everything splutter for a while. You'll get a nice aroma now. So this is done and now turn off the flame. And add the tempering to the chutney paste. Give it a mix. And our spicy orange chutney is ready. I'll transfer this to a chutney bowl now. This chutney can be enjoyed with dosa, idli, vada or any kind of fritters and snack items. Do try this spicy chutney and share your feedbacks. And now we will move on to our next chutney. Our second chutney is a white chutney. So let's quickly start with the making process. For that, take a mixer grinder and add half cup of chopped fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon of roasted peanuts, 1 teaspoon of roasted chana dal, some onion chunks, 1 to 2 green chilies according to your spice level, a small piece of tamarind. Adjust water accordingly. 1 teaspoon of salt as per taste, and now grind this to a smooth paste. Let's check this once. Our white chutney is ready and now we need to give a tempering to it. For that, heat a tadka wok and add some mustard oil around 1 tablespoon. And when the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili, and some fresh curry leaves. Let them splutter for a while and add this tempering to the coconut chutney. And here goes my white coconut chutney. This chutney goes well with dosa, vada, idli. Do try this white coconut chutney. And now we will move on to our third and last chutney recipe. The third chutney is a green chutney. The ingredients for this chutney are half cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 4 large garlic pods, small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies according to your spice level. Transfer all these ingredients into a mixer grinder. Along with this, we need to add some yogurt or dahi. Adding 3 large tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now grind this to a smooth paste. Let's check this now. So our green chutney is also ready. Transfer the chutney to a chutney bowl. So here goes my green spicy chutney. This green chutney can be enjoyed with any kind of tikkas and tandoori items or even with chaat and snack items. So do try these 3 different chutneys or the tricolor chutneys and share your feedbacks. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.